All right, so this video is about how to find the equation when you're given a graph. So here's a quadratic graph. So if you remember, first of all, let's write it in vertex form because that's going to be the easiest. So I have y equals a x minus h squared plus k. That is the form, the generic form of something in vertex form. The pieces of information I need to know is I need to know the a value, I need to know the h value, and I need to know the k value. Y and x will just stay y and x. That will give me the equation. So let's first find the vertex. That would give me my h and my k. Well, that's pretty easy to do. I just look at my graph. I've got the vertex is right here. So that coordinate would be 1, 2, 3. So positive 3 and down 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know the vertex is 3, negative 4. So right now, if I plug that into my equation, I know I have y. I'm going to leave some space for the a value because I haven't looked at that yet. I know it's going to be x. Well, this is a positive 3, so it's always the opposite sign. So it'll be minus 3 squared, and then this is minus 4. So now I have most of the equation, and all I have to do is figure out the a value. The easiest way to find the a value is to look, what point do I go from this point to here? So I'm going to go over 1, up 1. Well, that means my a value must be 1. So I can either put a 1 here or just leave it off. Let's take a look at another graph. So then this here is my full equation. Let's take a look at another graph. All right. So once again, the same thing, right? The generic form is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. There's my form. I need to find my vertex. Again, that's really simple. There's my vertex. So my vertex is negative 2, positive 1. So if I plug that into my equation, I have y equals, again, I'm going to leave a space for my a value because I haven't looked at that yet. X, well, if this is minus 2, it's going to be the opposite of x because it's minus a minus 2. So this will be plus 2 squared, and this is positive, so this will stay plus 1. Now, if I take a look at my first point on my graph, so the first point where it crosses some boxes evenly would be up there. So I go over 1 and up 1, 2, 3. So if I have to go up 3, then that means that my a value would be 3. And then this here would be the equation of that. So if you have any other questions, let me know.